performed delicate atomic experiments until an explosion fused them to his flesh, restoring his body and mind.
Don't call it me, wall crawler.
These nutcases are serious. You're all I've got left to find out what's really going on out there. 30 seconds. All the photos in the world won't save us from it behind. Parker! Hey, Chief, you called? I've been calling you for the last 45 minutes. You've done for nothing. Worthless me. Where's more where these came from? Listen, you worthless waste of waffle. I need to know what's going on out there. I'm so desperate I'm about to send a bunch of tourists out there in a new scoop vehicle. The scoop? With a bunch of wet behind the ears tourists? You're kidding, right? Well, you and your cowardly colleagues have dropped off the face of the earth. I need someone I can count on to get out there and be our eyes on the street. And if I can con those dupes into doing their civic duty, why not use me?
Mr. Jameson, the scoop is a state-of-the-art high-powered vehicle. This has dangerous written all over it.
Listen, you lily-livered loser. The only danger is that we miss snacking the Pulitzer Prize or the next best man in Snoopy. To bring you this special report. We bring you the leader of the sinister syndicate, Dr. Octopus.
Panic, Hobgoblin. I thought a little demonstration of my new levitation ray might help convince the unbelievers of my power. What goes up must come down. You have 30 minutes to surrender your city, or we will destroy your Statue of Liberty. That can bypass the Earth's gravitational pull to levitate virtually anything. My demands are simple and non-negotiable. The complete and utter surrender of New York City. Merely the first step in our worldwide conquest. You have 30 minutes for the complete and unconditional surrender of your city, or you will never see your beloved beacon of freedom again.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. You know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Oh, good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's Spider-Man. That no good in red leotard.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Out of the way, they're mine!
Blast them again!
So much for being careful. Just get back to the Bugle and...
just starting to heat up.
Time to throw you off the street.
Doc, your aim's worse than your haircut.
Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm waving you down from here!
You punks have short-circuited our plans.
You're taking a dive.
Yes, again, Super
Happy landings!
Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I knew it all the time.
Good job, Team Scoop. You did great. Now, when the scoop comes to a stop, carefully raise your left bar and exit the vehicle. Make sure you take all your personal belongings, and you can drop off the night vision goggles in the bins provided. Now, I'd better see about getting Mr. Jameson down. See you later.